Hi guys, and welcome back to another vlog. For those of you who are new here, I'm Paige. What's up? In today's video, I thought I would just bring you guys along with me and show you what a typical week in my life here at college looks like. This week is actually going to be a little bit on the crazier side because I am currently in the middle of midterms and I feel like it's just extra crazy because all my classes are over Zoom. But first, I want to start off this video with a little mini clothing haul from Garage Clothing because this video is actually sponsored by them. I've actually been a huge fan of theirs for a little bit now, so I'm super excited to be working with them on this video. All these pieces are also part of their newest fall collection, and I feel like everything is just like really nice go-to easy basics, and it's all especially great for back to school and kind of college in general. So yeah, I'm gonna try everything on for you guys and show you how everything looks, of course, and then we'll just continue on with the rest of my day and week. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you guys are new here, and yeah, thanks for watching. So I'm opening a box from Garage Clothing right now for some new fall pieces. They have some really cute sweaters right now. Look how nice this color is. But yeah, I'm gonna just try all this stuff on and show you guys what's up. I'm also really excited about this top. Look how cute that is. Also, I feel like everyone needs a good pair of comfy sweats. It also has this matching sweatshirt. Very cute. Also this really cute jacket. This is so soft. Whoa. But yeah, I'm gonna try all this stuff on and show you guys. Okay, so starting off with this sweatsuit. Everything about this I am so obsessed with. I love how everything is oversized, but it also still shows off your waist a little bit and kind of just shows off your figure. I also love how these sweats are like cinched around the ankles. Absolutely adorable. 10 out of 10 so far. Okay, I'm still wearing this sweatshirt because I'm obsessed with it, but moving on to these jeans. How adorable are these? I'm usually super picky about jeans, but I feel like these kind of just like check off all the boxes. Very cute. Gonna wear these a ton. While we're talking about jeans, I thought I would just show you guys the second pair I got as well. Super cute, very flattering. I love the wash of these as well. I also did roll the ankles because I'm a little bit on the shorter side, but I do that with all my jeans. I also still have this sweatshirt on, but I feel like this outfit is still really cute. I feel like this with a cool pair of like little white sneakers or even like black boots and dress it up a little. And also perfect if you're in a colder climate for school. Okay, so moving on to the next thing is this cute little white crop top. I love this because it looks super chill and casual in the front, but then it looks like this in the back. So super cute little detail. I feel like it goes perfectly with these sweats to just kind of like chill while you have your Zoom classes in, or just throw it on with a pair of jeans and then like a black bomber and go to dinner with your girlfriends. I feel like this is kind of just like the perfect basic top. Okay, so moving on to the next thing is this adorable little white long sleeve. How amazing is this top, guys? I feel like this top works really well for like day to night outfits. I also love the neckline on this and how it shows off your collarbones a little bit more. Okay, next up is this black little crop top. I feel like this is the perfect party top. I know we're not having parties obviously right now, and we're all being safe, but even if you have like a dinner with your girlfriends and you kind of just want to dress up a little bit and throw it on with a pair of like leather jeans and some cool black booties, I feel like it could look sick. I'm also pleasantly surprised at how comfortable this is. I feel like I was not expecting it to be because of the chain detail, but very pleasantly surprised. And yeah, I already know all my friends are gonna want to steal this from me. Okay, so moving on with the same type of like going out vibe. This top is everything and more. I paired it with this little black lace bra underneath, which makes it super sexy, but I also love how it has this collar. I feel like it dresses it up a little bit more. I would totally wear this with one of those pair of jeans that I tried on earlier and like a cool pair of heels. I feel like that could look sick. I feel like this sweater just screams fall. I love all the details about this, and also it's insanely soft. I also love how it's tighter around your wrist, but then a little bit more oversized. This color is also everything. I'm so excited to wear this. Okay, I just threw on this little tie-dye long sleeve. Very, very comfy. I really like this because it's not just like your basic white or black top, and it kind of just switches it up a little bit with the tie-dye. I also loved how it's like this nice ribbed material. It's like a nice little detail. Just threw on these joggers that I picked up as well. And these look super nice on. And I love joggers because it looks like you tried harder than you actually did. Okay, this is probably my favorite thing. I freaking love when sweaters have high necklines, and the zipper is so cool because you could totally just like zip it up or down depending on whatever you want and are feeling. I also love the sleeves on this because they're a little bit more oversized and then tighten up around your wrist area again too. This is also another major fall essential. They're crushing it with the fall clothes, guys. This is the next sweater I picked up, and this is also so comfy. I can't get over how comfy everything has been. I also love this detail around the neckline. Super, super nice. This is gonna be really good, especially for when it gets colder, because it's still like a more casual sweater, but also will definitely keep you warm at the same time. Super good basic. This is definitely perfect for fall, and honestly kind of like a good transition into winter as well. It has like this softer wool material, and then it has this waterproof material on the other side. Also, this pocket, bomb. I actually love pockets. The sleeves also didn't come like this. I rolled it on my own, but I feel like it adds like a cute little detail to it. This is definitely gonna be my go-to jacket for running errands and such. But yeah, moving on to the next thing. Okay, wait, I lied. That was actually the last piece of clothing I got, but they did send over some really cute accessories, so I wanna show you guys. So first, they sent over these little mini hoops, which are adorable. Then a couple masks. This one has a cute little smiley face on it. A little lip action. This one's actually sick. Looks like clouds. Very cool. And then a good basic black one. You can never have too many masks, seriously. I also sent over this chain necklace. Very cool, a little bit chunkier. And then this little dainty gold necklace, which I know I'm gonna love. I'm actually gonna put that on right now. So yeah, that concludes everything I got. But yeah, let's continue on with this weekly vlog. Okay, hi guys, I just got dressed for the day. I'm actually about to head to my sorority house right now to try and get some studying done. Filmed a little outfit shot for you guys actually, so cue that right now. Maybe I should actually give you guys a little sorority update. I know I told you guys a couple weeks ago that my house was under a lockdown, or basically like a house quarantine. I want to say it's been like almost 3 weeks since the quarantine got lifted. Basically before, no one could leave or enter the house, and I couldn't go to the house at all because I don't technically live in. And it also wasn't just my house, it was pretty much, I want to say, almost every house in Greek life at Indiana University. But now I can go to the house whenever I want, while obviously still being super safe. Definitely been a harder adjustment this year so far. Obviously all my classes are over Zoom, but also with my sorority we're not allowed to have like social gatherings anymore. Our huge philanthropy event also got canceled this year. Oh, and another huge thing is that our rush is over Zoom this year. That is gonna be so wild. I don't even know how to really talk about it with you guys because I don't know anything about it. Comment actually down below if you guys would want to see a video on that or something. I don't know, maybe I could vlog it for you guys. Obviously things are the way they have to be, and I'm also super grateful that we're all being as safe as we possibly can, and I'd rather have it be super safe than not. But yeah, that is the current update. I'm honestly getting kind of hungry right now. I think actually before I go, I'm gonna make some food here. Guys, this set is seriously the best thing that ever happened to me. I think I love it so much because I feel so chill in it, but still put together. Major key. We're gonna be toasting some bread. This is also the bread that I'm gonna use today. This is usually the one that I lean towards when I grocery shop. I know this is also the like healthier bread, but I honestly prefer this over white bread. I'm gonna just make some scrambled eggs to put on top of my toast. A little bit of truffle salt. Okay, stunning. That is lunch. Chef's kiss. I mean, I killed that. I'm so excited to eat this. Okay, it's around 2:30 right now. I'm gonna head to my sorority house and try and get some work done. So I will see you guys there. But look at this setup, guys. Every room in the house has a bunch of cleaning supplies, just keeping it super safe. Major midterm mood. I did not give myself enough time at all to do all this. I have 200 terms to memorize in 2 days. Wish me luck. I'm gonna need it a lot. At least I'm cozy though. Okay, I'm taking a little study break and look who I found. Hi. Wait, can I show your room for like a little bit? Look how cute her room is, guys.
It's not even done yet.
I think it's so cute. Her dorm room was insane.
Way better, right?
No, they're both so cute. You also have that really cool mirror. but it's not here.
It's still in my car.
It broke the first one. But there was a really cute mirror here. Okay, she has a Zoom class, so I'm gonna let you go.
I love you.
These cupcakes look so good. Thank you so much. This is the current dinner situation at the house tonight. This chili looks so good. This is also the veggie one, but they have a meat option as well. And then this cornbread, so bomb. But yeah, that's dinner. As soon as I'm done eating this, I'm gonna get back to studying. Also, I don't know if you guys can tell. Let me try and focus it better. But they basically have these like glass shields up in front of the food, so you're not in contact with the person serving it for you, and no one is touching it. So it's super safe. Okay, just got home, filled up my water, but I'm gonna go to the bathroom now and start getting ready for bed. Okay, hair is up. The first thing I usually do is take off my makeup. I always use this micellar water. It's from Bioderma. This is my fave. I also never, ever sleep with makeup. It's so bad for you. So I always make sure to do this. My skin gets a little red from it. You guys have also been asking me to do a little skincare routine, so I thought I would just show you guys a little bit of it. Look how gross that is, but so satisfying at the same time. And once I'm done with that step, I usually wash my face with just this face soap from my facialist. Couldn't actually take the full size with me from back home, so I put it in this like little bottle I got from CVS. So it's a little ratchet. But my facialist is Ramona Klein. I use all of her products, all of her serums. She's the best. I think she has a website with all of her products, but then she also, I think, sells them on Amazon if you guys want. But yeah, wash my face with this. I actually just took down my hair because I was getting kind of a headache. But usually after my face wash, I always put some moisturizer on. This one is by Clinique. It's the Moisture Surge Intense. I usually switch up between this one and then the same one, but not the intense version, so it's a little less thick. But since it's winter, I have started using this one because it's getting a little bit colder and my skin has been a little bit more dry than usual. I've also been getting some breakouts. Maybe I should do a mask. I don't know. But anyways, that's pretty much the gist of my skincare. Sometimes I'll throw in a couple more serums if I'm not feeling lazy like I am right now. But yeah, I'm honestly just gonna head straight to bed after this. So I thought I would just end the vlog off here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and subscribe down below. Also, want to say a major shout out to Garage Clothing for totally hooking it up for me. You guys can also shop all of my selects and looks at select Garage Clothing stores, as well as garageclothing.com. And they also ship to US and Canada, which is pretty cool, I think. And yeah, so I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.